Hi, thanks for tuning into the video. Before we get started, I wanted to invite you over to my personal website at toddbrandon.com. There you can find out more about me, and you can even contact me through the website. And now, on to the video. Hi everybody, my name is Todd Brandon. In the last video, we created our form that's going to be our subform, I guess you would say. And what I did, one little thing if you've been following along, I actually changed the name of this to use the FRM prefix instead of the SFM prefix. So if you have been following along, just be aware of that. And so we created this. So what we need to do now is I'm going to close these forms. So we need to go to our vendor detail form, go to design view, and we need to insert a subform element here. So if we go to the controls section of the design tab, go one row down, I think it's 3 from the right, at least it is in Access 2016. We're going to click that to make sure it's selected, come down here and drag and drop this out to about right there. And so the subform wizard comes up. I don't want to use existing tables or queries. I actually want to use an existing form, and that is the form we built in the last video, this contacts by vendor. We'll click next. I will pass that, click next. Now I can rename this to SFM. And I'll click finish. And now we see our subform here. This has a label too that I don't need. So I'm going to highlight that and I'm going to delete it. And then one other thing I need to do is kind of bring this out a little bit. I think we're long enough or wide enough. I just need to be a little bit taller here. All right, so yeah, that's pretty good. All right, so let's go to the tab here, right click and go to form view. And so we're on ABC Incorporated or ABC Inc. And I do get Teresa Sawyer. She is one of the contacts, but I don't see both of them. I go down here. There is 2. This is one of 2. I click that right button and we get the other contact. That's not exactly what I want. So what I need to do is go back. I need to change the default view on this form. So let me go ahead and save this. Let's close it. And then let's go here to the actual sub or the form that is being used for the subform. Click design view. And I need to make sure the form is selected. The little black box is there. Go to property sheet and then go to default view right here on the format tab. And it's showing single form. If I click on the drop down here, I need continuous forms. So when I click that, let's go back up here, right click and go to form view. And I'll select a vendor ID. And I do get both on the same view, which is what we want. Now we have this blank here to add a new record. I don't want that. I want to manage that a different way. So now I need to go back to design view again. And that's going to be over in, I think it's data. Yeah, it's allow additions. So if you find on the data tab, allow additions here, it's selected yes. Let's select no. And then let's go back, let's save that. Let's go back to form view and it looks better. So we don't have that blank row in there. So this should look better. Let me close this. Let's go to the main form. Let's select Great Plains Group, select that. And so we get both of our contacts for Great Plains Group. And yeah, let's go back to main. Let's select ABC. Let's select that. And we get both Teresa Sawyer and Henry Davis. That's both of our contacts for ABC Inc. Let's go back to main. Let's select another one just to test it. We only have one contact, Doug Carter for Terra Technologies, and back to main. So it's looking pretty good. Let's call this one and done. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave comments. I haven't really said that in this video series. I'd love to hear your feedback as well. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. I appreciate you watching, and please like the videos and subscribe accordingly, and definitely check me out at www.toddbrandon.com.